Did you know that a staggering 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolutions, with most giving up by the second week of February? This alarming statistic raises an important question: what sets the remaining 8% apart, and how can we apply their strategies to our own lives? The answer lies in the realm of self-improvement, where small, incremental changes can add up to make a significant impact over time. As we delve into the world of self-improvement, it's essential to recognize that it's not just about grand, sweeping changes, but also about the tiny, everyday habits that shape our lives. That's where the Self-Improvement Stapler Shop comes in, an innovative online store that offers a wide range of products, including gear reviews, designed to help you stay focused and motivated on your self-improvement journey. One of the key resources available on their website is Thessalethicus, a comprehensive guide to maintaining a razor-sharp focus in a world filled with distractions. As we explore the world of self-improvement, it's crucial to understand that it's a journey, not a destination. It's about making progress, not perfection, and it's about being consistent, not sporadic. The Self-Improvement Stapler Shop recognizes this, which is why they offer a diverse range of products, from planners and journals to goal-setting worksheets and motivational posters. By incorporating these tools into your daily routine, you can develop the habits and mindset necessary to achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the gear reviews available on the Self-Improvement Stapler Shop website. From productivity-enhancing stationery to cutting-edge technology, their reviews cover a wide range of products designed to help you stay on track and motivated. For instance, their review of the popular Pomodoro timer highlights its effectiveness in boosting focus and reducing distractions, while their analysis of the latest mindfulness apps reveals the science behind their ability to reduce stress and increase calm. As we continue on our journey of self-improvement, it's essential to recognize the importance of community and support. The Self-Improvement Stapler Shop understands this, which is why they offer a range of resources, including online forums, social media groups, and email newsletters, designed to connect like-minded individuals and provide a sense of belonging and motivation. By joining this community, you can tap into the collective wisdom and experience of others, gain valuable insights and advice, and stay accountable on your path to self-improvement. But what about Thessalethicus, the comprehensive guide to maintaining a razor-sharp focus in a world filled with distractions? This invaluable resource offers a wealth of practical tips and strategies, from the importance of setting clear goals and priorities to the benefits of mindfulness and meditation. By applying these principles, you can develop the mental clarity and discipline necessary to achieve your objectives and overcome even the most daunting challenges. As we navigate the complexities of self-improvement, it's easy to get bogged down in theory and lose sight of what really matters: taking action. That's why the Self-Improvement Stapler Shop places such a strong emphasis on practicality and applicability, offering a range of products and resources designed to help you turn your goals into reality. From step-by-step guides and worksheets to inspiring stories and case studies, their resources are designed to empower and motivate, rather than simply educate. Now, let's talk about the power of mindset in self-improvement. Our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our behavior and outcomes, shaping our perceptions, attitudes, and actions. By cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset, you can unlock your full potential, overcome self-doubt and fear, and achieve great things. The Self-Improvement Stapler Shop recognizes this, which is why they offer a range of products and resources focused on mindset development, from affirmations and visualization exercises to mindfulness and meditation practices. As we explore the world of self-improvement, it's essential to recognize the importance of self-care and self-compassion. Taking care of our physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for maintaining the energy, motivation, and resilience needed to achieve our goals. The Self-Improvement Stapler Shop understands this, which is why they offer a range of products and resources focused on self-care, from journals and planners to mindfulness and meditation apps. By prioritizing self-care and self-compassion, you can develop the inner strength and resilience needed to overcome even the most daunting challenges. But what about the role of accountability in self-improvement? Having a system of accountability in place can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay on track and motivated even when the going gets tough. The Self-Improvement Stapler Shop recognizes this, which is why they offer a range of resources and tools designed to help you stay accountable, from goal-setting worksheets and progress trackers to online forums and social media groups. By leveraging these resources, you can tap into the power of accountability and achieve your goals with greater ease and speed. As we continue on our journey of self-improvement, it's essential to recognize the importance of celebrating our successes and learning from our failures. Celebrating our successes helps to build motivation and reinforce positive habits, while learning from our failures provides valuable insights and lessons that can inform our future actions. The self-improvement stapler shop understands this, which is why they offer a range of resources and tools designed to help you celebrate your successes and learn from your failures, from journals and planners to online forums and social media groups. Now, let's talk about the power of community in self-improvement. Surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals who share our values and goals can be a powerful motivator, helping us stay inspired, motivated, and accountable on our journey to self-improvement. The self-improvement stapler shop recognizes this, which is why they offer a range of resources and tools designed to help you connect with others, from online forums and social media groups to in-person meetups and events. By leveraging these resources, you can tap into the power of community and achieve your goals with greater ease and speed. As we near the end of our journey, it's essential to recognize the importance of persistence and perseverance in self-improvement. Developing new habits and achieving our goals takes time, effort, and dedication, and it's easy to get discouraged when we encounter obstacles or setbacks. The self-improvement stapler shop understands this, which is why they offer a range of resources and tools designed to help you stay motivated and focused, from inspiring stories and case studies to practical tips and strategies. By leveraging these resources, you can develop the persistence and perseverance needed to overcome even the most daunting challenges and achieve your goals. But what about the role of self-awareness in self-improvement? Developing a deep understanding of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors is essential for making positive changes and achieving our goals. The self-improvement stapler shop recognizes this, which is why they offer a range of resources and tools designed to help you develop greater self-awareness, from journals and planners to mindfulness and meditation practices. By cultivating greater self-awareness, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world, and develop the insights and strategies needed to achieve your goals. As we conclude our journey of self-improvement, it's essential to recognize the importance of taking action and making progress, rather than simply learning and intellectualizing. The self-improvement stapler shop understands this, which is why they offer a range of practical resources and tools designed to help you turn your goals into reality, from step-by-step guides and worksheets to inspiring stories and case studies. By leveraging these resources, you can develop the skills, knowledge, and motivation needed to achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. In conclusion, self-improvement is a journey, not a destination, and it's about making progress, not perfection. By leveraging the resources and tools available at the self-improvement stapler shop, including Thessalonicus, you can develop the habits, mindset, and strategies needed to achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Remember to stay focused, motivated, and accountable, and don't be afraid to celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. With persistence, perseverance, and the right support, you can overcome even the most daunting challenges and achieve great things. So, what's holding you back from achieving your goals and unlocking your full potential? Is it a lack of motivation, a lack of focus, or a lack of support? Whatever the obstacle, the self-improvement stapler shop has the resources and tools you need to overcome it and achieve your goals. From gear reviews and product recommendations to mindset development and self-care strategies, their website is a treasure trove of practical tips and inspiring stories. So, take the first step today, and start your journey to self-improvement with the self-improvement stapler shop. As you continue on your journey, remember to stay curious, stay open-minded, and stay committed to your goals. The self-improvement stapler shop is here to support you every step of the way, with a range of resources and tools designed to help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. So, don't wait any longer, take action today, and start achieving the results you deserve. And finally, as you reflect on your journey of self-improvement, remember to be kind to yourself, to stay patient, and to trust the process. Self-improvement is a journey, not a destination, and it's okay to take things one step at a time. With the right mindset, the right support, and the right resources, you can achieve great things and unlock your full potential. So, keep moving forward, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Title_ideas, Unlock Your Full Potential with Self-Improvement, the ultimate guide to self-improvement with the self-improvement stapler shop, transform your life with the power of self-improvement. Description_draft, discover the secrets to achieving your goals and unlocking your full potential with the self-improvement stapler shop. From gear reviews and product recommendations to mindset development and self-care strategies, this video has everything you need to start your journey to self-improvement. With the help of Thessalonicus, you can develop the habits, mindset, and strategies needed to overcome even the most daunting challenges and achieve great things. Tags: self-improvement stapler shop, Thessalonicus, motivation, productivity, mindset development, self-care, goal setting, accountability, persistence, perseverance, self-awareness, personal growth, personal development. Hook_type, statistic.